Hello, thank you for tuning in and for your support of the Global Fistula Map. My name is Jessica White and I work at Direct Relief. As a part of my role, I analyze the data provided by dozens of fistula surgery providers around the world, which allows us to bring you the Global Fistula Map. The Global Fistula Map is becoming the Global Fistula Hub, which will be a new place to talk about all aspects of obstetric fistula so that we can work better together to resolve the issue. Every year, Direct Relief runs a survey to understand how many fistula repairs are happening worldwide. This last year, we received 86 responses. As an incentive to better encourage survey participation, Direct Relief offered a survey drawing for travel awarded to the International Society of Obstetric Fistula Surgeons, ISOFS, conference in Maputo, Mozambique in December 2020. For the repair facilities that submitted their data, thank you. Your repair data helps the fistula community to better understand the issue, which helps us to better target our response. Remember, by participating in the survey, you gain more visibility to donors by being on the map. For more information on how to participate in the survey, please email the address below. So it's time for the survey drawing. So the awardee going to ISOFS in Maputo, Mozambique in 2020 is the General Hospital Kontagora in Kontagora, Nigeria. Congratulations, and thank you again to everyone who submitted your data. Direct Relief is honored to support you in all of your efforts to eradicate the threat of fistula for every woman, everywhere.